Welcome to Wheeled and Well Armed. Today we'll be looking at a CZ40-B. So this is about 2003 era, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. CZ partnered with a Colt trying to get into the U.S. market. Colt had a lot of really screw-up pistols that they designed in the early 90s. And so they got with Colt, and they came up with, it was called the Colt Z40. And so it sounds kind of like a car nowadays. But anyway, the Z40 was, they only made or imported 800 guns. Colt made the mistake of saying, showing the picture of the Z40 and saying that was going to be the smart gun platform. And nobody wanted to buy it ever since then. So they just threw the baby out with the bathwater. Anyway, the CZ40 is a fun pistol to shoot. I've got over 1,000 rounds in this thing. Never had any trigger work done to it. It is the size, believe it or not, it's smaller than the government, and it's smaller than an officer. It's more of a commander. I believe I got that right. The smallest of the three 1911s. So I'm not a 1911 fan. Or we'll do a couple trigger pulls. So when we do a trigger pull with this, I'll show that it's safe, clear. You can see in the chamber, there's nothing in the chamber, there's nothing in the magazine. That's 2 pounds, 11 ounces, 2 pounds, 9 ounces, and 2.87 ounces. This is, it does have the closest gun that CZ ever made to this would be the Rammy. It does have the same look, same locking mechanism. It looks more like a large Rammy, and so we'll go shoot it tomorrow and see. But even the double action on this trigger, 6 pounds, 6 ounces, and 5 even. So really nice trigger pull on this. We'll take it to the range and see how it shoots. Hey, today we're at the range. We got the 7 yards, and we're going to shoot 50 rounds at 7 yards with the CZ40-B. This is a great pistol. It was developed by Colt, called the Z40, and then they dropped off, had a bunch of extra parts left over, so CZ used them to make their own, and this is called the CZ40-B. Anyway, we'll see what it shoots like and let you know. We're about to shoot 12 rounds with the CZ40-B.
I had a couple extra magazines that were full when I opened up the bag, so that's probably 65 rounds. Everything was just kind of top right. I wasn't trying to really hold over, but I did hold over a bit when the target disappeared. So this is the CZ40-B, and it's a nice pistol. I think I need to clean it. This is Wheeled and Well Armed. Have a great day and a great weekend.
Be prepared.